Hello YouTube, Patrick Henry 1791 here, everyday carry bag. On my person, I carry a Kimber 1911 45. Clear this. Along with that, I carry an extra mag. I carry a flashlight, stream light, and in my bag with extra bullets, knife, tool bits for a Leatherman. I keep that right here. I keep the Leatherman mutt. I have that with me all the time. In the back, carry something I can put around my neck, something to keep me warm if it's cold. I also carry a Gerber saw. Lightweight, doesn't take up hardly any space. Stainless steel water bottle. Make sure you always have water on you. Also, make sure you have something that's still stainless steel. That way you can boil sterilized water if need be. Along with the 45, I carry a 22 North American Arms backup weapon. So I carry some ammo for that. Little 22 mag. Extra batteries. I always have a laptop with me, so I always carry an inverter. Something big enough to really charge. You never know what else you might need. Some rope paracord. And these little, they're like carabiners, but they're a little different. Night size. I keep 2 of these with me. I carry a box of 45 ammo. HSTs. First aid kit. In this first aid kit, I have the iodine tablets for potable water to sterilize water, suture kits, hemostats, tweezers, things in case I need to do sutures. Lighter in here, little first aid manual. Trauma pack, quick clot. You never know. If there's any trauma, you need to stop the bleeding fast. So I pack that along with me. Winter time, make sure I always have a beanie. Actually I have 2. iPod. Pens. Pencils, something I picked up, a little knife sharpener. Works well, doesn't take up a lot of space. And it even looks like a pen. Also, I have a little rain poncho. $4 at a sporting goods store. Staying dry is very important. I bought this the other day. Expensive little guy. One of those Petzl headlamps. And it's retractable. Hands-free if I ever need hands-free. Always keep a charger with you. You never know what other vehicles you might be in. That's about it. Let me know what you think, what I should add. I have a lighter in the lighter and matches in the first aid kit. Yeah, tell me what you think. Am I forgetting anything? Thank you.